Hello Mason District, I'm Supervisor Andres Jimenez and I'm excited to invite you to our Hispanic Heritage Month celebration in Culmore. Join us on Saturday, September 13th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Culmore Library as we come together to honor the history, culture, and contributions of our Hispanic and Latino communities. In Culmore, this heritage shines every day in our food, our music, our small businesses, and in the traditions that bring families together. This celebration is a chance to experience all of that and more right here in our neighborhood. I hope you and your family will join us for a day filled with community, culture, and connection. See you there.